Hello, my name is Anmol Kumar and I won a gold medal at IJSO 2025. The feeling was great because I not only won a gold medal for myself but it was for the whole country. Narayana's training program helped me a lot, and I have been preparing NEET also. So it helped me a lot in IJSO because there were some things that I didn't learn in IJSO but I learned them in NEET, and the same things came in IJSO. So it helped me a lot. Well, the good thing is that the schedule is like quite good. We have like 2 tests per week. One is the NCERT half test and the second is module test. So like this helps to prepare weekly. We can like test ourselves every week, so it is very good. My advice is to respect your teachers because like teachers are like treasure of knowledge, but if you don't respect your teachers, you are not able to extract that knowledge from them. So the most important thing is to believe and respect your teachers and in your parents also. Thank you, Narayana.